you tired? Oh, yeah, come and touch.
Come and touch.
Come on. Come and touch, not biting.
She give me complex.
Let's go. You stop, please, in 15 minutes. I just sneaked out from work to go pick up cultural day outfits. So let's go. This weekend is what? Weekending. How you guys doing? How are you people? Thank you so much for love on all my vlogs so far. Yes, we've been vlogging back to back, giving you guys content on Sundays. During the week, it's not really been easy, but we keep going. So we are currently on our way out. My children are doing cultural day. I think that's what they're using to end the school session. And my daughter is doing which state are you representing? Okay, which state are you representing? You don't know the state you're representing? Okay, my son is representing Hausa. So Hausa will just make the regular kaftan, but for the Aquarium ain't got strength. So we are going to look out for where we'll hire today. So meanwhile, good afternoon. Meanwhile, we stopped over to get rice because our rice is finished. So hubby is getting it somewhere, and we are waiting in the car. After that, we go look out for where we rent. At least let's pay. Then know that it's just for pickup, and then a quick stop at the store to do one or two things. Then tomorrow, my brother moved to a new place, so we're going to go and see his place, and just normal weekend shenanigans, nothing extra here. So it's just your baby girl. How you guys doing? How has life been at your area? How are you keeping on? Please try and be safe, because Nigeria is not safe at this point. Please try and be safe. Pray for your loved ones. Check up on your loved ones. Show love to somebody around you, because this life is not promised. This life has not promised. We all are on social media and we'll see what's going on. So please, reach out to that one person. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I don't know what to say anymore, because life has just been like this. So with that being said, spend the weekend with us, the family living with us. Let's buy which one?
Let's go.
It's not your size. Take on your push. Yeah, this way. So let's go this way. Go straight. Let's get this way. It has to be this one. Okay, this is 2 in 1. Slim pack. What's this one? Oh, this one. Cavity fighter. Full of fluoride. Which of that come in fluoride? You logo. Put. Be put in now. So which could behave. Yeah, put. Take it. Behave. I put those ones back there. How many did you put? Alright, let's continue. What? No. Ice cream, not that. Continue. This is the one I normally use, right? Yeah. So, I pick it up. Hang it back. Hang it the other way. No, that's not what we are taking. Where is the blue one that your father usually takes? Oh. ladder. Are you tired? Come on, see fish. Come on, see. No, not this one. Yeah, closer now. Come. It won't touch you. It won't touch you. It's inside. It's a glass. Come and touch.
Come and touch.
Come on. Come and touch. Not bite you. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's not bite you. Big boy. Take it. Come and touch. Come on.
That's it. That is the fish. It will not bite.
Awesome. The price of this seafood. Oh, there's nothing like drumstick here. See the price of. No, that's spring roll now. They already freezed one. We'll have in the house. Let's go. Stop. Let's go. 15 minutes. Let's go. This way. This way. This way. You fall. I just sneaked down from work to go pick up cultural day outfits. So let's go. Thank you. Huh? 4 o'clock. And what's the time now? I know it's just a few minutes past 4. We don't have enough to 2 or 3 minutes. So this one is on the hand, Abby? The neck. Ha. No, I won't be the one, but I can tell the person. And this hair, oh boy, it's just bring it out, Abby. No enjoy. I'm done and I'm actually headed back to the office. So I told someone that someone should cost the making of these Akwa Ibom outfits, and the bill I was getting, I was like, what's there? As in, why am I making that amount? Why am I wasting that amount of money for something that she will outgrow, one, and for something I know that she might not even get it, or she might not look good. In fact, you shall know one thing. So someone now directed me, a colleague directed me to come to this place to rent it. My husband cannot endure hunger. Jesus, that man cannot endure hunger, and he has passed it down to my son. We just came back from church. Sorry, just ignore what's happening here. We just came back from church. We went for 6 a.m. mass this morning. All because I just wanted to rest today. I just wanted to rest. Because I didn't have, before 7 o'clock mass was as if it's going to waste time. But today, I wanted to rest. So we went for 6 o'clock mass. And in my mind, do you guys eat before you go to church? My daughter is 6 and my son is 3. That boy made us uncomfortable when the mass was about to end because he was what? Hungry. He started crying, Mommy. Yeah. So that boils down to the fact that this thing, my husband passed it down to my son. That man cannot endure hunger. Chara, at all. And this boy now cannot endure hunger. And the worst of it all is not even the worst. Now school has ended. This is holiday period. Oh boy, I'm going to be hearing, Mom, what are you going to eat in the morning? From today that is Sunday now. The fact, Mom, what are you going to eat in the morning? Mom, what are you going to eat in the afternoon before we are hungry? That's mid-afternoon. Mom, what are we going to eat in the afternoon after we are hungry? Jesus. 101 questions in a day. And by God's grace, We'll make it available. They don't know what Nigeria is talking about. The only thing we owe them is to give them food whenever they need it, whether there is money, whether there is food in the house or not. So, okay, their cultural day went well. I wasn't there. I went to my younger sister. My daughter represented Akwa Ibom. My son represented Hausa. And I was so happy I got those things. They look so good. But they forgot the stuff in the house. So that being said, so the school session has officially come to an end. Hey, no more 5 o'clock waking up. I'll still waking up early, but not 5 o'clock, maybe 5:45 or 6 o'clock. You can notice that I've lost some weight. Don't worry. Your girl, hey, I've lost 3 inches, more than 3 inches off of my stomach just in a month, and I've lost 7 kg just in 1 month. Hey, who they praise? Somebody should shout power in the session, in the comment section. Somebody should do what? Shout power, because your baby girl. Hey, when I lose, my goal is 85 by God's grace by the end of the year. But with the way it's going, I might hit that 85 before the year ends. Fingers crossed though. They cannot talk too much. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you watched the end of this vlog, thank you so much. And if not subscribed to my channel or Guinea, what are you waiting for? Join this growing community of people. I share relatable content on mom life, working mom life, cooking, everything that just comes around my life. I just come and put it up here for you guys to see. So with that being said, this is my speech to convince you to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.